Want to stay connected and never miss an important Cash App notification? In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add an email address to your Cash App account. This simple update can help with account recovery, security, and staying informed, so stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss a step. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log in if you're not already. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Personal section and tap on it. Here, you'll see your current details. Look for the option that says Add Email Address and tap it. And now, type in the new email address you want to connect to your account. Double check for typos so you don't run into issues later. Once you're done, hit Next. Cash App will send a verification code to the email you just entered. Go to your inbox, grab the code, and return to Cash App to enter it in the verification field. Tap Next one last time, and you're done. Your email is now linked to your Cash App account. This means better security, easier account recovery, and instant updates whenever something happens in your account. And that's it. Adding an email to your Cash App is that quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for more Cash App tips. See you in the next video.